today I will show you how to make this effect. The key to this effect is here, the points to curve nodes, and another is the simulation nodes. They are very important to make this effect. So let's begin, and we will go to Blender 4.1, and we need a new section here, and we will go to geometry nodes, and we press new, and we create this, and we drag it to make more space. First, I will introduce the points to curve. You can change this arrow because we don't have points now. We need to distribute points on faces, and we will get the lines all connected. So this node, the function is to connect all the points. And if you have a group ID, you can input it here, and it will connect all the points in the group. So let's make more space. And another is simulation nodes. It's very important too. So we connect them. And it's box for now here. We need a sphere. So we need to subdivide it by, I think, 2. Yeah, the viewer. If you connect the viewer, Control Shift, you will get a viewer. You can get the it will show the nodes it connected, like here. If you press here, it will show the points. And next, we will make the points move along the sphere. So I need to introduce a principle. The geometry always have a normal. So if this is a normal, it's always pointing outside. And if we have another vector that maybe not the same direction with the normal, we can use that vector and the normal to create a new vector. And the new vector is always vertical to the normal. It means it will go along the surface of the sphere. So we need to create another vector like this, like this. It doesn't matter. We just need then to create the vector along the sphere. So let's create that. First, we need a normal. Second, I use noise. And I need a mass vector to cross them. The color, connect the color. The color can be transferred to vector. And then we need a set position. Set position can make all the points to move. We press it here. Then let's check the effect. Oh, no. I need to delete the viewer. Let's check it. It didn't change, right? Because if here, let's add a viewer here, and the value connected to normal, you can see that it's all black. It means the normal is empty. So we need to get the normal. Why this happens? because distribute points on faces, it creates points, and before it's a geometry, the points can't inherit the normal to the points. So here we need another node that is the nearest surface node here, and we'll connect the mesh to mesh and place it here and connect the value. First, because normal is a vector, we need to change it to vector here. Change it to vector here and then connect it to here. And let's try again. Delete this. Oh, okay, I made a mistake. Let's set position. Set position needed to be put here. Yeah, you can see that. It's rotating, and you can see that it's like a plane. So the error comes from the noise. The noise, the value is always from 0 to 1. So we need to change it to like from 1 to -1. So you can use the mass node, vector mass, to subtract. Where is subtract? Here. Subtract 0.5, and you can get the right effect. Yeah, like this. And for me, I prefer map range. Mute this map range from 0, 1 to -1 and 1. And you can see that it's jittering. Why this happened? If we change the scale of noise, you can see that it's not jittering because the scale is too small. I mean, the value of the scale is too big, so the scale of the noise is too small. So it will change. If we press 2, and we can have maybe 5 points. Yeah. So the next we need to make the noise from 3D to 4D, and we need a frame. Like divide 500. Let's try. And then it will always change. It's evolving. And then we need to remember, save it. To make this effect better, we need a set position here to make the sphere always, to make the surface over the sphere to always change. So we will duplicate these two here. Okay, of course that we need to change it to vector. And then -1. Yeah. Let's check what happens. Like this. And here, change it to vector. -1. Yeah, it's always changing. This is the basic effect. And if we add points like 20, it will change like this. Always change. And next we need more lines. And here it's very simple. We need a join geometry. We need to put it here and link from here. Check. Yeah, a lot. We need to create the point. Right? So you will find that the lines, the geometry is always adding. So we need to define a value that can only keep some of them. So here I will use the time. I will create an attribute. We will store name the attribute. I will call it time. Put it to points and here integer. Because time always is integer, and we'll link it here value and connect here. And we'll create the value from 1. And then a name attribute. Attribute here, integer and time here. So we will have the value of time. So we can check it here. Maybe here. And check the value of time. It's always there, right? So then we need a mass here. Add 1. You can check this view. The number is always changing. And you can check that and press. It's always changing. And it's always adding. And if the number is bigger, it means it exists for a longer time. So we will delete them by this value. Let's go to here. And here, we make more space. We will need a delete geometry. Here, I will use the selection here. We need to compare integer. So we'll compare the time with another value, like maybe I will only keep like a 10 frame, 10. And if it's greater than this value, I will delete them. Check. Yeah. See, it's not adding. And then we will just need to tweak the values. Like maybe I add more points here. You will get this effect. If I decrease them, you will get comparatively simple. And we change the normal noise. I mean noise. Always change. 5. No, 3. 2. Just tweak the numbers. And here, if you go to render, I will use the EV. And if we go to render, you see it's here. And if we press render image, nothing. There's nothing here. So we need to turn them into points. Oh, no, I need to turn them into geometry. So here, we need a curve to mesh. And we need a circle curve. We need to decrease this value. Decrease more. Like this. And resolution, that's resolution is okay. And to render them, we need a set material. Choose this material and go to shading again. Yeah, it's here. And we'll go to world, turn the background black. Here, we press emission. See. And if we attribute, we need time. Oh, sorry. Time here. And we need to remap map range, because the time is from 0 to 10. We need it to 0 to 1. And then we can ramp them. Change the color from this color to this color. See? This is another effect, very different from the effect I made. So this is almost the whole effect. And in the end, I will tell you another thing that you need to be careful. Because if you use this effect, this method to make this effect, the effect will always be jittering. Because from here, subdivision, and then set point, and I will show you when you get the viewer here. I'm sorry, it's not moving. We need to make it move like 100, and it's moving. And we can check that the distribute points on faces. The points, you can see that it's jittering. So the final effect will be jittering, like the video that I showed at the beginning. So if you don't want the jittering effect, there is a method can solve this. You need just subdivision, okay. You need to put this distributor. I'm sorry. I think duplicate. Mute this. Duplicate here. Oh no. Make more space. Duplicate it here. And mute this one. Yeah, then it won't be jittering. So if you use this method to create the effect, it will be very smooth. And if you want a smooth effect, use this method. So I think I explained that very well. So the rest is just use your imagination. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please press a thumbs up, and if you want to see the other videos I made, please subscribe. Thank you very much.